Everyone, today I'll walk you through how to duplicate a section on Squarespace. This works on the web version of Squarespace 7.1. First, you need to open the page that has the section you want to duplicate. In the left sidebar, find the Pages panel and select your page. Then click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page. The page will open in edit mode, and you'll see blue outlines appear around sections when you hover over them. Now, hover your cursor over the section you want to duplicate. When you're hovering in the right place, a blue outline will appear around the whole section, and a toolbar with icons will pop up. In that toolbar, click the duplicate icon. It looks like two overlapping pages or squares. You'll see it sitting next to a heart icon in the toolbar, so don't confuse the two you want, the duplicate icon with the two pages, not the heart. As soon as you click it, the duplicated section will appear immediately below your original section. If you want to move the duplicated section to a different spot on the page, use the up and down arrow icons in the section toolbar. The arrows are on the right side of that toolbar. Click the up arrow to move the section higher on the page, or the down arrow to move it lower. The section will shift one position with each click, so just keep clicking until it's where you want it. The duplicated section is now completely independent from the original. Any changes you make to one won't affect the other, so you can edit the text, swap out images, or modify blocks in the duplicate without touching the original. One thing to note, if your section has newsletter or form blocks, you'll need to manually reconnect the storage option for those after duplicating. And if you've added custom code tied to a specific section ID, you'll need to duplicate that code for the new section as well. However, mobile design settings in Fluid Engine will carry over automatically. Also worth knowing, collection page sections like blog, portfolio, and store pages can't be duplicated this way. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.